Thank you for joining me on this question. We're going to be looking at a trig question. It says find the value of x corrected 2 decimal places. Well, what have we got? We've got two angles. We've got a side and it's given. Okay, we've got an angle and its opposite side. So this indicates we're going to be using the sine rule. So since we're going to be using the sine rule, let's put some points on here just to help us out. We don't need to, but if this is angle A at 72, then this is little a on the opposite side of the triangle. And if this is angle B at 56, then that's going to be side B here. And if this is angle C, then that's going to be angle side C. Well, we want side C. So let's, now also the question does say correct to 2 decimal places. So what I like to do on a test is just put a little box to tick later when I've got it to 2 decimal places. Okay, so let's do this. So we're going to write the sine rule, and the sine rule says A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. And we don't have a little b. We do know angle B. We want side C, but we don't know angle C. We know A is 18, we know A is 72. Well, in this triangle, since we've got two angles, we want C. If you add up 72 degrees plus 56 degrees, you get 128 degrees. Therefore, C will be 180 degrees minus 128 degrees, which is 52 degrees. So I'm going to put that up here, 52 degrees, because that makes 180. All right. Now we can use a sine rule. We'll use A over sine A equals C over sine C. So A is 18, sine 72 degrees, equals C, which is x, over sine of 52. Now, we can cross multiply, but I'm only going to take one up the other side. I'm not going to take the sine 72 up because we'll just get x on its own if we just take sine of 52 up. So it's going to be 18 times sine of 52 over sine of 72 degrees. And we pick up our calculator and we work that out. So we've got 18 times sine of 52 divided by sine of 72. And that will equal x equals 14.9141, yada, yada, yada. We want 2 decimal places. So let's put x is approximately 14.91 centimeters, and that's to 2 decimal places. Now I just want to say something interesting here, that not all teachers around the world subscribe to this, but I do. And that is because our diagram has already a centimeter in the diagram and they want the value of x, we actually don't need the units in the answer. You can, for full marks, you shouldn't lose any marks if you simply state that x equals, our x is approximately 14.91 to 2 decimal places, because technically the length is, the centimetre is already in the diagram, so you really shouldn't need to put that in the answer. However, that's a debate that you can have with your teacher. You can always alert them to this YouTube and see what they think. But anyway, I'm going to tick this box now because we did answer it to 2 decimal places, and I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.